Next is very important type. The statement of the question is find a matrix P and Q such that PAQ is in normal form when A is a matrix that is given as A is equal to first row 1 minus 1 2 minus 1, second row 4 2 minus 1 and 2, and third row 2 2 minus 2 into minus 2 and 0. Now my aim is to find in this form. So this matrix is 3 into 4 form. So it means this can be written as A matrix, which is equal to I3 matrix, then A matrix, and this which is written to I4 matrix. So this can be written in this form. So what is A matrix? So that is given as 1 minus 1 2 and minus 1, second row 4 2 minus 1 and 2, and third row 2 again 2 minus 2 and 0. So this is A matrix. This can be written as, this is first 3 by 3 identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A matrix, and this is 4 by 4 identity matrix 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Now remember that when we operate row operation, then it will affect only pre-multiplied identity matrix. So it will affect on this row. When we operate column operation, it will affect this row, this matrix. So this is a post multiplied identity matrix. This is a pre-multiplied identity matrix. When we operate row operation, then it will affect the pre-multiplied identity matrix. When we operate column matrix, then it will affect the post multiplied identity matrix. Now first of all, I will apply the row matrix, row operation. If I will apply the row operation, so this is of pink color, this red color, so it will affect only red color matrix. So when I apply row operation, it will affect red color matrix. When I will apply column operation, it will affect the black identity, this black matrix. So remember, this is very important fact. Now in order to find, so this, my first aim is to make it identity matrix. This term and this term should be 0. So this term and this term should be 0. If I will operate the R2, which is R2 minus 4R1, first operation, second R3, here it is R3 minus 2R1, so make it 0. So I will operate this operation, so it will affect this matrix. So this will be same, so this will be, there will be no effect on this matrix. So just write it So just write it 0 0 1 0. Here it is 1, here 0 0 0 0 and 1. Now first row is same. So this is 1 minus 1 2 minus 1, and then operate R2 minus 4R1. So multiply by minus 4, then add. So this is 0 and this is 6, this is minus 8 and minus 1, minus 9, 4 plus 2 6. Now multiply by minus 2 and then add to this. So this is 0, this is 4, and this is minus 4 minus 2, this is minus 6, and this is 2 plus 0, which is a 2. So I get this kind of matrix here. Now in this case 1 0 0, first row should be same, and then is multiplied by minus 4. So this is minus 4 1 0, and in the next row multiply by minus 2. So this will be minus 2 0 and 1. So there is the first step of this values. Now it should be 1 and it should be 0. So diagonal entry should be 1 and the below diagonal entries should be 0. So to make it 1, so I operate this. To make it 1, I operate the R2, which is equivalent to 1 by 6 into R2. So first I make it 1. So it affect this matrix, it affect this matrix, and these matrix will be same. 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Now from this 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, and then this is multiplied by 1 by 6. So 0 1 minus 3 by 2, and this is again 1. So here 0 4 minus 6 and 2, and here 1 0 0, and this term is multiplied by 1 by 6. So minus 2 by 3, 1 by 6, 0, minus 2, 0 and 1. So it will be same. So here I get minus 2 by 3, 1 by 6, 0, minus 2, 0, 1, and here 1 minus 3 by 2 and 1. So next, which is again equivalent to in the next step. So what will be the next step? So make this term is 0. So to make it 0, so we will operate R3, which is a R3 minus 4R2. So we will apply this operation. So this matrix and to this matrix, but these matrices have no effect. 1 0 0 0, 0 1 0 0, 0 0 1 0, 0 0 0 1, and here so first 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, no effect. 0 1 minus 3 by 2 and 1. So both the first row will be same. Same here, first row will be same. 1 0 0, minus 2 by 3, 1 by 6 and 0. So now what will be the third row? So first will be 0, second will be 0, and this element will be minus 6. So this is a minus 6 minus into minus 3 by 2, this value, right? Minus 3 by minus 4 into minus 6 minus 4 into 3 by 6. So what is this? This is a minus 6, then this is plus 6. So this is a plus 6. So this total will be 0. So it will be 0. So this term will be 0. Now from this 2 minus 4, this will be minus 2. Now here again the first term is minus 2 minus 4 into minus 2 minus 4 into minus 2 by 3. So this will be minus 2 plus 8 by 3, and this will be 2 by 3. So on simplification, this will become 2 by 3. So this will be the 2 by 3. Now what is the next term? This is R3 minus 4R2. So R3 is 0. So just check this R3 is 0. So this will be 0 minus 4 into 1 by 6. So this will be minus 2 by 3. So next term will be minus 2 by 3. Similarly here 1 minus 4 into 0, it will be 1. So in this way we can find the third row, 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 and 1. So to make a correct calculation, so just do the calculation outside the matrix and then substitute that value as we did in our question. Now here this will be 1 0 0 and this is 1 0. Now here I need 1. So in order to make it 1, so simply we multiply by minus 2 by 3. So this is a minus 3 by 2. So in order to make it 1, so I can, this is minus 2 by 3, that is a one way, and second way we can also this shift this 1 from this side to this side. So we can interchange this this term, we can interchange C3 and C4. Also we can interchange these terms. Now this is also multiplied by rows as well as column. Now we will apply the column operation. So to make it column operation, it affect only this matrix. Now my aim is this should be 0. So my aim is this should be 0 and this 0, this 0 and this 0. So that is my purpose. To make this term is 0, so I will operate the C3 plus C2 plus C1, C3 minus 2C1 and C4 plus C1. So I can operate that result. Now just understand these values minus 2 and 0. So from this what I get, this is a 100 term, if I find this values, so I get from this is a 100 this term, and again, so here now this values, so operate C2, which is a C2 plus C1, C3 minus 2C1, C4, which is a C4 plus C1. So because this will be 0, so what we get 100 0 0 0, this will be 1 minus 3 by 2 and 1, again it is 0 0 and minus 2, so this will, I got this kind of equation. So it is a row operation, so just it is a column operation. Now from this it will be 100 minus 2 by 3, 1 by 6 0, 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 and 1 into A. Now I apply the column operation, so it will affect this matrix. So first column is same 1 0 0 0, second is adding these, so 1 1 0 0, similarly fourth is adding 1 0 0 1, and in case of third C3 minus 2C1, so here it is minus 2 0 1 and 0, right? So in order to make this is as identity matrix, now it should be 1, so it should be 1 when we make this column multiplied by minus 2 by 3, so C2 C3 column matrix, which is minus 2 by 3 into C3, so this will be 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 minus 2, which is equal to this matrix, and because it is a column operation, so it will not be a changed, so this will be minus 2 by 3, 1 by 6 0, 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 1 A matrix, and this is equal to multiply C3, so first term will be same. So what is the first term? First column, so this is a first column 1 0 0 0, second column will be same 1 1 0 0, and third is multiply by minus 2 by 3, so this will be 4 by 3 0, again minus 2 by 3, again 0 1 0 0 and 1. Now so I reached at this place, now this term in order to make this term as a 0, so 0 1, this 0 and this 0, so this 0 and this 0, So for this I operate C3, which is equal to C3 minus C2, C4, which is C4 minus C3. So this is again column operation. So first column is same 1 0 0, second is same 0 1 0, third is 0 0 0, and what is fourth, which is 0 0 and minus 2, this value. So this will be so because of column operation, so this will be no effect on this matrix. This is 2 by 3, 0 1 by 6, minus 2 by 3, next 0 0 1, A matrix. So this is first column 1 0 0 0. So second is C3, second is again 1 1 0 0. Now C3 minus C2, so 4 by 3 minus 1. So 4 by 3 minus 1, which is 1 by 3. So this is minus 1, this is minus 2 by 3, and this is 0. Now last is C4 minus C3, C4 minus C2 again. So this will be 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, again 0, and this is a 1. So I get this kind of equation. So this is a 1 1 1 by 3 and this values. Now in order to make it 1, so we multiply this column by minus 1 by 2. So again for next step, then interchange. So first this is a C3 C4, which is minus 1 by 2 into C4. So this will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0, then 0 0 1. So this will be, there will be no change at this place, because we are taking a column operation. So column operation affect the last matrix, या post multiplied identity matrix. So this is C4 will be affected. So this is 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 2 by 3 and 0. Now in case of last, multiply by minus 1 by 2. So this will be 0, here 1 by 2, again 0, here minus 1 by 2, right? So fourth column is multiplied by minus 1 by 2. So we get this values. Now to make it identity, so this we interchange these two rows. So what will be the operation? So operation will be interchanging the C3 and C4 rows. So this will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is 0 0 0. So this is equal to, because it is a column operation, so it will not affect the first matrix minus 2 by 3, 1 by 6 and 0. So this is a 1 by 6 and next is 0. So 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 and next is 1. So this is A. So first column is same 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. Now interchanging, this is 0 1 by 2 0 minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 2 by 3 and 0. So I get this result. Now from this result we easily see that what is this matrix? This matrix is I3 and this is 0 matrix, which is equal to P into A into Q. So what is P? So from this P is equal to, so this is a P matrix which is equal to 1 0 0 minus 2 by 3, 1 by 6 and 0, third 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 and 1, and second is Q which is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 by 2 0 minus 1 by 2. Similarly, so the last column is 1 by 3. So this is a 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 2 by 3 and 0. So this is a Q matrix. So in this way we can find that matrix P and Q such that PAQ is equal to I3 0 matrix, this matrix. So what is P? 1 0 0 first row, second row minus 2 by 3, 1 by 6 0, third row similarly we can find that. So just check this calculation. So when we multiply by here, this is minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So when we multiply, this will be I think 1 by minus 1 by 3 and this will be 1 by 3 and this will be minus 1 by 2. So just check the calculation. So 2 by 3, then when we multiply by minus 1 by 2, so here, so this is a, so when we multiply, so we multiply column, okay, right. So this will be, now this is a 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 and this is a, so I just write once again third row, so don't make it confused. So this is 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 and 1, this values. And similarly in case of Q, this will be 1 1 0 minus 1 by 2 0 1 and again 1 by 2 minus 1, then 0 0 0 1 again 0 0 minus 1 by 2 0. So in this way we can find the value of P and Q which satisfy this condition. Also we know that the rank of matrix, so rank of matrix will be 3 because we convert this matrix into I3, so that is the result. So in this way we can find the P and Q matrix when P and Q matrix such that PAQ is in the identity form, which is in the normal form. Similarly, we can use elementary transformation to find the inverse of the matrix. So again, this is a next method. So how we will find that? So my next method is to compute. So to compute inverse by elementary operations. So elementary operations means, so remember, it is a column and row operation. So remember that elementary operation which involve both row and as well as column operations. Now question is, so we will understand by find the inverse of matrix, find the inverse of the matrix by elementary row operation. So this is a matrix which is by elementary operation. So what is matrix? 1 2 3 2 4 5 and 3 5 and 6. So this is a very important type. So this question is 2017 in Guru Nanak Dev University. Now to prove this method, understand this method. So just understand the method. So we will prove any question if we are aware of the method. So just understand the method how we will prove any question of this type. We know that A into A inverse is equal to identity. So here I write A is equal to identity matrix into A. So this is identity matrix. Now this is identity is pre-multiply. It means we will apply only row operation. So remember this. If identity is multiplied post multiplication, then we will apply only column transformation. So here we will apply only row operation. So what we get? We get, so write this is as matrix which is 1 2 3 2 4 5 3 5 6. This is identity matrix which is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 and into A matrix. We will not change this A and we will convert this as identity matrix, then it will be A inverse. So it will become A inverse. Now, so here to make it identity matrix, so we apply the row operation. So first step R2 which is R2 minus 2R1, R3 which is R3 minus 3R1. So just understand this similarly this and A matrix. So by applying this operation, so first 1 2 3 same, then -2 and add 0 0 -1. So 0 0 -1, then -3 0 -1, 6 -9, so -3. So here it is 0 -1 -3. Now here 1 0 0. Now next -2, so -2 1 and 0. Here -3, so -3 0 and 1. So this is my first operation, first step. Now it should be 1, it should be 1, and the remaining part, the entries below that part should be 0. So in order to make this one, I just interchange R2 and R3 rows. So in that case 1 2 3 0 -1 -3 0 0 -1, and again here 1 0 0 -3 0 1 -2 1 0 and A matrix. So just interchange these rows. Again, to make this term 1, so we multiply -1 into R2 term. So this is 1 2 3 0 1 3 0 0. Again, to make it 1, so we again multiply R3, which is minus R3. So this will be 1. So this will be 1 0 0 3 0 -1 2 -1 and 0, and this matrix is A. So I get this values. Now my purpose is to make this entry 0, this entry 0, and then this 0 to make it identity. So how we can make these entries should be 0. So we will apply only row operation. So remember, we will apply only row operation. So multiply by 2. If we multiply by 2 and then subtract to this row, then we will make this term is 0, and similarly we can make it this term is 0 by substituting multiply by this -3, then add to this terms. So this will be 0. So it is our choice. So first make this term is 0 or this term is 0. So it is our part. So if I operate, this is R1, which is R1 minus 3R3. Similarly R2, which is R2 minus 3R3. So this will be 1 2 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. So from this R3 should be same 2 minus 1 0, R3 is same. Now here R1 minus 3R, R1 minus 3R3. So 3R3, R1, 1 minus 6, 1 minus 6, which is minus 5, 0 minus 1, so this is 3 and this is a 0. Now again here 3 minus 6 minus 3, 3 minus 6, 0, this is plus 3, this is a minus 1, right? Now this term should be 0, so just operate this, just operate R1, which is R1 minus 2R2. So this will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and this term will be A. So minus 3, 3 and minus 1, 2 minus 1 and 0. So second row and third row is same. So first row, so which is R1 minus 2R2. So this is minus 1 minus 5 plus 6, which is 1, right? So 3 minus 6 minus 3, 0 plus 2, which is a 2. So this will be 1 minus 3, 2. Second row minus 3, 3 into minus 1. Third row 2 minus 1 and 0. And left hand side is identity matrix. So this matrix can be written as identity matrix, which is equal to A inverse matrix into A matrix. What is A inverse? A inverse matrix is equal to 1 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1 and 0. So in this way we can find the inverse of matrix by using the elementary operations. So do all the question in this way to find the inverse of matrix. So basically we have three methods. One is to convert the matrix into normal form, and then to find the inverse by elementary transformation, and then find the rank of matrix, row rank, column rank. So that we will find by reducing the matrix into echelon form. So row rank echelon form as well as into column rank echelon form. So just understand these both methods and do maximum question for practice, then we will get this result, or we will understand this result.